Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are going to look at Bitcoin, considering that Bitcoin increased very fast today. So is Bitcoin about to rise again? This is going to be our topic for today, and we are going to break down all the time frames on Bitcoin one by one, and we are going to look at the trading possibilities and what we may find in the market. As beginning, I want to thank you WhiteBIT for making this video possible. For all of you that don't know, WhiteBIT is one of the largest and licensed European crypto exchanges. In WhiteBIT you may find futures and spot trading. It has the best referral program with up to 50% of trading commissions from invited users. And what is really amazing is that you can get up to 30% passive income through crypto lending. So this is amazing compared to many brokers, and it's very easy. You can subscribe via the link in the comment section below. So let's begin with our analysis on Bitcoin right now. As you can see today, Bitcoin made a very strange move. It was a bit of surprise. As we can see, the price increased in the maximum level up to 17,400. So this was very big increase, considering that the actual market is not in stable conditions at all. We are facing the panic from FTX collapse. On the other hand, we saw also BlockFi to file for bankruptcy, so the overall market conditions in the crypto industry is not very good at all. On the other hand, what we have to expect from Bitcoin? So we don't have to get light from this type of moves. I don't think at all that Bitcoin is about to rise right now. It is not the right moment. We have to see the market to create a big large structure in order to continue rising, and also we need the market to gain confidence again. So where are we in the bigger picture on Bitcoin? As we can see, I have still my data here. We had the Luna collapse that happened during this time, so this is Luna. The second one was Celsius, and here we are experiencing again the next collapse that came down. During all of these times we can see that price corrected before the next move. It doesn't matter if the price moved down or it rised more from this point. So also from this market crash that we experienced, the price should continue to correct before the next move. However, let's see what is happening on a lower time frame, because we don't have to jump in the trade right now because Bitcoin is rising. So from the bigger picture, I'm going to delete this. From the bigger picture, we can see that price broke down from this triangle pattern. So this is the first pattern that I'm looking at, considering that it makes sense a lot in these conditions. But we are going to look at also the possible bullish opportunities, but they will come with time. So I'm not expecting the bullish opportunities right now, despite the fact that I think that probably Bitcoin is going to rise further on the coming months probably. The price that we have seen that the market is looking at as a potential production cost for Bitcoin for mining, this is 15,000. so up to this price level probably the market will react again if price is going to move lower. No one is going to sell Bitcoin if they spend more or up to 15,000 to create Bitcoin, so the miners will not sell here, and this is a strong reason that we may have a lot of liquidity accumulated in this area. On the other hand, as we can see from the left side of the structure, we have the broken structure that this is located near to 17,600. So it looks really interesting at this point. And what we can see at this moment is this part of the structure here. This is the area that I'm actually looking at. just one moment to make it in this way. This is the area that I'm looking at for potential reversal zone. So considering that we have the broken structure on this point, this is the broken structure, and also the triangle pattern, this is creating a potential reversal zone at this point. And the potential reversal zone that we are looking at this moment, this is between 17,600 and between 18,400 or 500. So at least this is the 2 points where I'm looking at right now for the potential reversal zone. And this zone is going to react also on the future, and it can push the price lower once the price will test this area again, because we are going to look at bullish reaction during the coming days. So we have to have an open mind at this moment. So let's look at on the 4-hour time frame what the price is actually doing. And as we can see, we have the first price reaction. Why is happening all of this move right now? So look at where the price reached the top. The top was reached close to 17,400. This is showing clearly that close to 17,600, that is also the breakdown from the structure that the price broke earlier at this point. We have many sellers that actually don't believe that Bitcoin will rise value more than this area. That is why we can see this aggressive sell-off at this point. On the other hand, the bullish movement that was created, this is coming with the hopes from FOMC that FOMC is not going to increase the interest rates, considering that the inflation is slowing down, considering that the employment numbers on the other hand, so the market is just playing up and down with these numbers by interpreting these economic numbers during this time. It is not good at all. But what we have to be careful right now is that price is already moving a bit down. However, we have a small structure where it can stop, so it can come close to the lower part of the structure, it can test, and it can come down again. The first support that the price will find will be close to 16,800 and 700. This is an area that the price already tested before, and this is the area that probably we may see the price to bounce again. If this is going to happen, we will be in the scenario with potential 5-wave movement that can be the beginning of the bullish wave, or probably this is going to expand all of this structure in a bigger way. However, we have to see what is going to happen with time, one step at a time. Once the price will reach 16,800, I think that that will be a very important moment, because we can see the price to test 17,600, and probably if it is going to find more bullish volume, it can come close to 18,400 as well. However, I'm not expecting any bullish reversal at all. Everything will be a sell-on pullback, considering that price already is in correction moment. This is a correction moment, how the price is developing here. It is making up and down, and it can be bigger. I don't think that FTX problems already finished at this moment, so probably they will be also bigger. However, we have also to look at the short-term trading on Bitcoin and what is going to happen on the other cryptos as well, because we can never be very bullish or very bearish all the time. This is what I'm looking at. So let's see how the price will react close to 16,800, and probably the next move will be up. What we have also to be careful is that once the price will move below this area, but we need a very strong news in order to create that fast sell-off, probably it will test the lower part of the structure again. But this will happen only for a strong reason. I don't see this move happening right now. So let's see how everything will develop. However, we have to know that the trading range, a small trading range, is this here, and price may develop for many weeks or months within 15,600 and within 70,600. This area is approximately 12%, is not bad at all. So let's see, this scenario is the one that I'm actually looking at right now. It has higher chances to happen, but we have to see more price development for that move. So hope you guys enjoyed this analysis on Bitcoin. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future content. Thank you. Bye bye.